Assalamu alaikum all the students. In this lesson I will be explaining the revision of the lab activity. Remember students, the lab activity is a research activity where you are going to search all these questions using the internet browser. Remember that copy and pasted answers are not acceptable. So you will research a question, you will read that from the internet and you will type your own words. I will show you how to do it. And one more important thing, that the questions in the revision pack and the questions in the lab activity paper, they are different. Okay, so this is just an example of showing how you can research it. So the first one is Charles Babbage. So open your Google and just type Charles Babbage. It will give you many different websites. You can choose any one of them and just read it and just give an introduction of Charles Babbage. Okay, a brief introduction about the scientist. So let me open this one on the right hand side. You can Charles Babbage was an English polymath, a mathematician, philosopher, inventor and mechanical engineer. So you can type this. He was a mathematician. You can just type it here. So this is what you have to type from this. You can see I didn't copy. Okay, I just read it and I wrote it in my own words. Then you have to find the name of invention, right? So just type Charles Babbage inventions. Okay, you will get these names: difference engine, analytical engine. They are the most famous one. Okay, so once he invented the difference engine, it was named as the computer. Okay, so you can type difference engine and analytical engine here. So here, difference engine and analytical engine. Year of invention, you can just click on difference engine and it will give you the year of its invention. It is 1820. Okay, so difference engine is 1820 and analytical engine is 1833. So how to find it? Just go to analytical engine and it will give you the information about analytical. It is 1837. In some places it is 1833, in some places it is 1837. So both questions, it was between the range of 1833 to 1837. Okay, so in the same way you have to find about Howard Aiken and Ada Lovelace. Okay, these are also some scientists. So that's all for the lesson. Thank you so much.